Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com. I want to talk about Bitcoin and the overall market, guys. So let's hop into this video. We are at 7,490 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. We're almost there, guys, so subscribe now. And on top of that, at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a custom loaded line NFT, guys, worth about $2,200 right now. Super excited to give this away. More giveaways to come, but let's do this video, guys. All right. So, right now, the market is coming down a little bit. But, I've been saying, and I was talking with Crypto Kip last night on our live stream, and I was saying, when we're bouncing around above 21,600 and we're bouncing between 21,600 and 25,000, I'm happy with that. That's some good consolidation. And I think that we could be consolidating for the next few months leading into the Bitcoin halving. Maybe even the next year, guys. Maybe in the next 8 to 12 months. And as long as we're trading on these levels above 20,000 and in between 20,000 and 30,000, that is a great point to be accumulating. That is going to keep the entire market floating. And that'll be a great time to be accumulating. We're not going to see some crazy downward price action, but what we will see is we'll see a slow climb, a great consolidation and accumulation zone to really increase your position sizes in the projects you believe in. It's a great opportunity, and you might be impatient, but really it's a blessing when you have sideways action for an extended period of time. Sure, it's boring. You might get some time capitulation, like over here on Bitcoin, where we had in 2017 to 2018 cycle, we traded sideways for almost about a year, guys. Right here, about a year right here. This was from the peak, December 18th, 2017. To the capitulation. This was a time capitulation right here when we found the bottom on Bitcoin previous cycle. This was a time capitulation. And we could see something like that, but do I think that will happen? I don't. I think we're past that. I think we found our bottom, and now it's time to build up to the upside here, to trade between $20,000 and $30,000 leading into the next Bitcoin halving. And whether you're buying at 20,000 or 30,000, it's a fantastic accumulation zone. We're preparing for the next leg up. Not the recovery, but the next leg up to test previous all-time highs. And we are making our way there, guys. This consolidation zone, this accumulation zone, from now to the Bitcoin halving is when we will be able to build your portfolios. You need to be patient, guys. You need to be patient. And I know it's tough being patient. It's tough being patient, especially when we've been trading. We haven't seen the previous all-time high since over a year, guys. But after you've been in crypto for a couple cycles, you realize, oh, okay, this is an opportunity. This is a massive opportunity. Consolidation, guys. Consolidation, accumulation. Accumulate your positions and get ready for the ride. That's as simple as that. The longer you have it to accumulate, the happier you will be when we move. When we were talking CRO, people were saying we've been looking at the CRO versus Bitcoin chart, and people say, "Oh my gosh, CRO underperforming Bitcoin. What's going on? What's going on? Why can't it just move already? Why can't it just move already?" Guys, when it does move, those same people that are saying, "Why isn't it just move already?" will be the ones saying, "Oh man, I wish I bought. Oh man. I hope it comes back down so I can buy." Guys, don't be that person. Don't be that person. Buy and accumulate the assets you believe in now. Don't wait for a big move to the upside to feel the FOMO to buy in. People in the bear market build wealth, guys. As cliche as it is, you get rich in a bull market, you get wealthy in a bear market. It's a true statement. And it's true also because not everybody can do it. Because it takes mental fortitude, mental stamina to withstand the bear market, for trading sideways for extended periods of time. You're buying for an extended period of time, then it capitulates to the downside. And then you know what you do? You buy more. It's simple as that. When it's assets you truly believe in, have conviction for, you shouldn't be bothered by that. It's accumulation, guys. It's how you build wealth. All right, guys. So I want to talk about the fear and greed index because right now we are at 59. I would like to see this come down a little bit. There's nothing wrong with being at 59 on the fear and greed index, but I do think that we are going to head down since we did pull back a little bit, about $2,000, about $1,300, give or take. But I would like to see this come down a little bit. You know, we've talked about this a lot that we've been above the 80s and the 70s for the greed for extended periods of time. I mean, we're talking for a year where we're just above 60 and we're just moving up to the upside. But you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we come down a little bit to maybe 21,600. I would like to see that. I would like to see some, or just trade sideways. Trade sideways at about the 23,000, 22,000 area. I keep saying that. I sound like a broken record, but 21,600 to $30,000 price range. That's my channel. That's my channel where I want to see accumulation. I want to see the greed come down a little bit so that let the RSI cool off so we can have a big move to the upside. And I think that that's probably what's about to happen here. We're probably going to be consolidating for a while. So guys, don't be alarmed when you see CRO coin bounce up and down here to the 10-cent range, to the 7-cent range, back to the 10-cent, come down to the 5.5, probably not 5.5, it'll probably come to maybe 6 cents, maybe even 6.5 cents. But don't be surprised if we're bouncing around this channel and we finally break out, when we break above 30,000, and then we start making our way to 25 cents on CRO coin. Don't be surprised, but there is time. Time is on our side to accumulate, guys. Time is on our side. I've been seeing people on crypto Twitter talking about, oh, you know, new all-time highs right around the corner right now. I don't know if that's necessarily true, guys. I think that those people need to be careful because I think we got some time. I think we got some time to trade to the side. But that doesn't mean we can't have some bullish continuation and bullish price action. But new all-time highs, we've got some time, guys, and we should be accumulating during that time. But guys, let's go over the S&P 500 a little bit because today we are coming down a little bit, which is okay. That's A-okay. As long as we don't break below this trend line here, we're bullish. Making higher lows here. We're bullish. If we don't break below and come back down, and this wasn't a whole fake out event, then we're bullish, guys. But this is very, very important that we keep a close eye on this. Quite frankly, if we test this and we get a little bit of a resumption off, I think it's a great opportunity to be longing crypto, Bitcoin, whatever asset you want to long. I think there's a very, very good opportunity to do that. And if you want to do that, please go to the description box below and get an $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit some money, open a trade, and get up to $8,000, guys. You know, leverage trade at your own risk. It's for experienced traders, but there's some great opportunities out there. And I really do believe here that if we do get a retest and resumption off of this top of this trend line, we turn this resistance level into support. I think that there's risk on asset rally continues. We have another leg up. We have some more movement. So keep a close eye on that. It's very important. If we do come down, however, well, we could have a pullback. We could have a pullback in crypto. When I talk pullback, we could maybe get to the 18,000, 19,500. That was a very key price level that we broke out of. But it's very important that we keep a close eye on the S&P 500. Unfortunately, the S&P 500, you know, we say the saying of Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats. Well, the S&P 500 is, I don't know, the moon that moves the tides. But it's very important that we keep a close eye on this, guys. And guys, if you stuck around this far and you like this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also please consider becoming a member to the channel. All you got to do is go in the description box below, click join, or go to our homepage and click join right here. You get awesome perks for our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You get these custom emojis as well as these loyalty badges. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord. We have NFT Alpha, we've got NFT whitelist spot giveaways, we got trade signals, as well as a more one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.